1. Belief in Allah God. Muslims believe in one all-powerful God called Allah. They worship and trust only Him. 2. Belief in angels. Muslims believe in angels, which are special beings created by Allah to do His tasks. 3. Belief in the holy books. This means believing in the important books sent by Allah to guide people. The Quran is the most important one. 4. Belief in the prophets. Muslims believe in special messengers or prophets sent by Allah to teach people how to live a good and just life. This includes prophets like Moses and Muhammad. 5. Belief in the Day of Judgment. Everyone will be judged by Allah for their actions. Good people will be rewarded, and bad people will be punished. 6. Belief in divine preordainment Qadar. This means believing that everything happens according to Allah's plan. 7. Belief in life after death. Muslims believe that when they die, their souls will go to either heaven paradise or hell based on how they lived their lives on earth.